Welcome to this honest review of Mi Fit, an all-in-one fitness and activity tracking platform designed to help users monitor their health and fitness goals. Mi Fit is widely recognized for its integration with various Xiaomi fitness devices and its user-friendly mobile app. In this video, I will guide you through the website's features, discuss its usability, and share my personal experience navigating its interface. Mi Fit offers a clean and intuitive design, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. Once you log in, you are greeted with a dashboard that displays your daily activity data, including steps, calories burned, and sleep patterns. The app syncs seamlessly with compatible devices like Mi Bands and other Xiaomi wearables, ensuring your activity is tracked in real time. One standout feature of Mi Fit is its in-depth sleep analysis. Unlike many competitors, Mi Fit provides comprehensive insights into your sleep quality, breaking it down into stages such as deep sleep, light sleep, and wake time. This feature is especially helpful for users looking to improve their rest and recovery habits. Another key function is the workout tracking system, which supports a variety of activities including running, cycling, swimming, and even outdoor walks. The app allows you to set specific goals, track your progress, and view detailed performance metrics. GPS integration for outdoor activities adds an extra layer of accuracy to your fitness data. Despite its strengths, Mi Fit has a few drawbacks. The app occasionally experiences syncing delays with devices, and some users report that the step counting can be slightly inconsistent. Additionally, the interface could benefit from more customization options to suit individual preferences. Overall, Mi Fit provides a solid suite of features for anyone looking to track their health and fitness journey. Its integration with Xiaomi's ecosystem is seamless, and its affordability compared to other fitness tracking apps makes it a competitive option. Whether you're tracking daily steps, monitoring your heart rate, or analyzing sleep data, Mi Fit delivers a well-rounded experience. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like to support my channel and stay updated on more honest reviews.